Welcome guys, with the box of the Poloroid Go. I paid $50 at Target for it. Film not included. I just ordered it to pick it up. You do get here the analog instant camera. You can selfie ready, double exposure, and 15 battery pack. It works with the Poloroid Go film. You need to buy that separately. We grab the camera. I'll show the camera in a bit. We grab everything that comes in here. I'll show you guys what you all get in the packaging. So, lanyard, micro USB type A, stickers, they're good to put in your photos, and instruction quick start guide. Put that to the side. Here's your camera. It has the black colors right there. You get your flash. These are different type of sensors, cameras. The film gets down here. You do get a power button, a red button, a flash, the hole to look inside. You could put your lanyard down here. Your charge port will go there. You would open up the film area, the bay will go in there. Close it. And that's pretty simple. You do get a lanyard, guys. I'll show you how that works. For $50, but look, you need to encounter this camera costs $100, but you have to pay $20 for that. So it's around $70 with tax. That's not a bad deal. So to enter your lanyard, guys, you would just insert it like so, and it will go into the back of this. There. I will be picking up the film today, doing a store pickup for it. Should be there in an hour. I'll pick up the Go film that goes with this. And I like it. It's pretty hefty. I'm gonna review this. I like vintage photos. And I will give you guys a full tour on this. See how I like it. If this is gonna be a thing for my future to create photo albums and more. But I don't like how this is micro USB to type A. But we have a solution for this. Micro USB to type C. Grab this packaging. And there. So micro C charging. And we'll go from there, guys. Please rate, comment, subscribe, guys. New videos are coming out. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, a new Apple Watch, a new AirPods are coming Friday. I'll get you guys that out for a review and much more, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one, guys. Bye-bye. Peace out. Subscribe to my Instagram, ProductivityPixel 1996. My Snapchat, Tech 1996 1. And then I'll link you down below, guys, everything and much more, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye, guys. Peace out.